Hi, this is Joe from Offline Resurrection. I'm here to record a quick video for WP Call Tracker and how to use it properly. This is WP Call Tracker right here, and this is a pretty simple program to use. Uh, you install this on a WordPress site, any WordPress site you want. This really won't be part of the site. It just runs on a WordPress site. So that's how that works. You install it like you do any other plugin. You come down here in the settings, and that's where WP Call Tracker is, and I've called it up here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this works. First thing, when you do a new number, you're going to type in who to forward to. So I'm going to do 5954. I'm going to do that. My Twilio ID. Your Twilio ID. You have to set up a Twilio account. In order to do that, you go to Twilio.com. Okay. Go to Twilio.com. And you just select account, and you create an account, and you have to fund it with, I don't know, 20 bucks or something like that. I already have an account, so I'm gonna go to my dashboard, and what I have to do is I have to copy in my whole ID here back in Call Tracker right here. Okay, it has that in there. Then what I have to do is my Twilio token ID. Now to get that, you have to click this, and it unveils it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause this real quick. So I went ahead and pasted in my Twilio token, and then all you got to do is click Save Changes down here, and it's going to appear up at the top there with a blank record. See here where you can select a number. Now the whole whisper thing and the greeting thing and leads per second, we always want to do the yes. But let me get back to the other thing. This if you could do a pay-per call, I think it defaults at a minute to be a lead. I don't know, something like that. You can make it 30 seconds. It depends what you negotiate with whoever you're selling leads to. You can also have a whisper function where you can say lead from Joe or lead from Barry, whatever it is. So that's how that works. The most important thing we got to do once we get all this set up, we got to pick a number. So we're going to pick this 3520054 right here. And once you get the number here, what you have to do, you purchase the number in Twilio. You have to copy this into your number. Now, I know I didn't go over purchasing a number in Twilio. It's really pretty simple. You go to numbers. You type in an area code. And you can go like numbers down here. Where is it? Buy number. Okay, buy number right here. We can do like 305. 55. We can do start. We can just pick any 305 area code, and we search. Okay, let's pick another one. 954. Here we go. We got us a 94. All you want to do to buy is click buy, and it says you sure you want to buy, and you buy it, and that's what you get. So what we have to do now, we have to go back to our phone numbers here, and we got to go into, as I was telling you guys, we got to go into right here, this number here. We click on it, and then once we click on it, we have to paste this URL in here in our phone number, and that's what we do. So see, it's already in there, and then once we do that, we click save, and we save it, and that's it. Once we're done with that, everything's working now. Everything's going to forward. Everyone who calls this is going to forward here. A couple things we can do. We can do a report. And click on report. We don't have any calls yet. And this will give us a report. Okay, well, this is nothing. It says calls and leads. If we go back, let me see. I think 0037 might have a few calls, but we got to go back in time. So I will go back here and go back to like December and end today. Say go. And it pulls, okay, we got us a call right here. Looks like one call. One lead and one call. So we got two calls all together, and it shows us the one that's here. I don't know what this block is. Let me see. Oh, that's cool. I didn't realize that's something new. That you can put a block and you say block this phone number from now on. Has a recording here. We click on the recording.
Hi, you've reached the voicemail of Joe Justin. Please leave a message and I'll return your call as soon as possible. Thanks for calling and have a blessed day.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
So that's it. That's the recording. So let's go. One other thing we want to make sure you can do. You can come down here, and it gives you all examples and instructions. Really, it's a pretty simple plugin. The main reason or main goal for this plugin is so that if you want to use a per call model, you can do that with this. But the main thing for right now is you might not have any proof yet, and you want to put up some videos that has phone numbers in it. So you buy some Twilio phone numbers. It's $1 a month, a penny a minute, I think, when someone calls. And what I would recommend you do is forwarding these calls. Find some business on the second or third page. Forward those calls to them, and as you get ranked, you start getting some calls. You can call them up, and they might become a client. You can tell them, look, I sent you this lead and that lead today, or yesterday, or last week, whatever. The other reason why you want this plugin is because once you start creating a bunch of different accounts, or if you want to verify your YouTube account, which I think works better, I think it helps you rank better. But you want to verify everything and even do the monetization and become a partner with YouTube, and I think you rank better. You need a phone number, and you can't use your cell number for 10 different videos, because after about 3 or 4, your cell number stops to work. So you have this this number. You can buy the numbers in advance prior to you trying to verify your accounts. You buy the phone numbers, and then you have it forward to your cell. So you can do this 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. You have it forward. You pick up your phone. You verify, and you don't have to. It doesn't have to be in the same city. If you're trying to verify a YouTube channel in Fort Lauderdale, you can have a California phone number. It'll still call you, and it still works. All they want to know is that you're a real person. You're not a bot. So that concludes our video. Hopefully you guys like it. If you have any questions, go to our support desk, or you can send us an email at support@offlineresurrection.com.